Check this out. Windscreen with this button right here. Goes up and down. Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm gonna be doing a quick review of my 2008 Kawasaki Concours 14. And here it is. Here's my baby. I got it used about a month ago or so. $4,300 including the helmet, registration, taxes. I mean, I got a pretty good deal. 25,000 miles on it. It's a lot of bike for the money, to be honest. A lot of bike. It's got a huge, almost 1400cc engine. Very comfortable. Saddlebags, as you guys can see. And my favorite part of this motorcycle is this dry shaft. Let me move this thing out of the way. It is a dry shaft. No more cleaning chains, adjusting chains, or changing belts. That is by the best feature that I actually liked most of this motorcycle. Now, some of the main things I want to show you guys is the front windshield. I actually purchased that one aftermarket on Amazon because the original one, well, it's a lot smaller, as you guys can see. A lot smaller. More wing coverage. And the second thing I got is the cramp buster for your wrist. You get to rest your hand instead of putting pressure on the throttle when you're going, highway speeds for long periods of time. You just gotta rest your hand. That way your hand doesn't get numb. Now, for the majority, the bike itself is stock. See how beautiful it is. Look at the damn transformer. It really does. Now I want to show you guys how the saddlebags work. Now, to turn on or remove the saddlebags, there's this key, and it comes inside this key fob, which, by the way, you need to have this key fob in order to actually turn on the motorcycle, and I will show you in a couple of moments. This handle opens up the compartment, which has a lot of space. You can actually fit your helmet in there. And when you're going into long distance travel, you can actually pack some stuff in there as well. This handle allows you to remove the saddle itself. See? Pretty cool. I have to put it back in. Just gotta line it up. Close it. Turn the key. It stays in there. It doesn't go anywhere. And like I mentioned about the helmet, let me take the camera out of the helmet. You can actually fit the entire helmet in there. It comes with little straps for you to tie it down, hold it down, stays in place. Let's say you and your back riders, they're going somewhere, you don't want to be carrying your helmets with you, you put them in here, which is pretty handy. As I mentioned earlier, you need to have this key fob with you. It's like a key fob, like a proximity key fob. You go in here, you press this button, hold it, it gives you that warning, well, that little line. Turn it into on, and you put it on neutral. There we go. And then we turn it on. There it is. You guys won't want to hear the sound of the exhaust. It's stock though, it's not an aftermarket one. And there it is. So right now I'm gonna take you guys with a quick ride along with me. I was thinking about going to the beach, but oh no, right now it looks nice and clear. It's gonna be raining towards the beach area, and I'm not gonna go that way. So I'm gonna go to a local lake, and to add measure of drama, I'm gonna bring my drone with me, and then I'll finalize the video on the lake and shoot the drone towards the lake. Stay tuned. All right, so I made it to my destination, Lake Tehopecalia. It's right in front of me, right there. A little noisy today, but I want to show you guys a couple more things about the bike. How does it look like without the saddlebags and the windscreen? First, I'm gonna show you the windscreen. Check this out. Windscreen with this button right here. Goes up and down, which is pretty cool. That's one of the reasons I got this aftermarket windscreen, because it has more coverage than the OEM one. So literally there's no wind hitting you when you're going highway speeds. It comes with hand warmers right here. I live in Florida, so I don't really need them, but they're there just in case. And here's the bike without the saddlebags. It does manage to look quite sporty, actually. Very sporty, actually. Well, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. And for added dramatic scenes, I'm going to shoot my drone into the air here at the lake. Just for dramatic effect. I hope you guys found this video informative. Again, this is not a really very fancy review. This